just wanted to remind you that early voting is happening in your state, and you can cast your ballot right now. Just go to whenweallvote.org to find out where and how you can vote early. If you've already received an absentee ballot by mail, be sure to return it at a designated drop-off location as soon as possible. Your vote is important because the folks we elect now will shape our communities and our country for generations to come. So every election matters. And when we all vote, we are building the future we want to see.
Apartment we usually stay
Thank you for
in.
making your voice heard.
Paid for by Civic Nation.
Them
This
apartments
message
still
is not
there.
authorized by any candidate or any candidate's committee. I didn't see it coming. Life can be so unpredictable. After losing my dad, it made me think about my family if something were to happen to me. The mortgage, car payments, and all the other bills. Even things like our annual summer vacation would be out of reach. I had heard about life insurance through Ethos and how easy it was to get coverage. They were right. I knew it was time to stop putting it off and get life
We used
insurance.
to stay in, it's still
I got on
there.
my computer and went to ethoslife.com. In just 10 minutes, I was covered.
Boom, back there with the light on.
Thanks to Ethos, my family won't have to worry about the bills if the unpredictable happens to me.
Ethos, fast and easy online
got these
term life
houses.
insurance. Up to $2
They took
million
care of
in
them.
coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $1 a day. Answer a few quick questions and get your free quote at getethos.com. That's GETETHOS.com.
I see they got them schoolers.
Jake from State Farm here to answer your what ifs.
What if I need a policy, but I just can't choose?
An agent can help you choose. At State Farm, we're there for your what ifs. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
It's Rocktober savings at Southern Kia Virginia Beach and Southern Kia Greenbrier. We're rocking the month with lots of new inventory and rock bottom prices. Plus, low APR financing available. If you've been waiting for a great deal, this is it. Only at Southern Kia Virginia Beach and Southern Kia Greenbrier. The most wonderful event of the year is back. Busch Gardens Christmastown has one of North America's largest holiday displays with more than 10 million dazzling lights, new festive shows, and thrilling rides. Christmas shines brightest at the world's most beautiful theme park, Busch Gardens Christmastown. Select dates November 10th through January 7th. Enjoy the best deal of the season and save up to 60%. Tickets as low as $29.99. Hurry, offer ends November 12th. Restrictions apply.
What you decide to do today, tomorrow, or 5 years from now is up to you. Your needs are as unique as you are. So what's our job at Dollar Bank? To help you get wherever it is you want to be. And with 13 local branches in the Hampton Roads area, Dollar Bank has the products, services, and people to help you achieve your goals. So let's do more together. Let's get you there. Equal housing lender, member FDIC.
Car crash? Call 888-HURT-LINE. Victim of a truck wreck? Call 888-HURT-LINE. Suffered from a slip and fall? Call 888-HURT-LINE. We're Kalfas and Naka, Virginia's top personal injury attorneys with 40 years of unrivaled experience. Our powerhouse team of attorneys have recovered millions of dollars for our clients with settlements over 20 times the insurance company's initial offer. We know how to win. Call 888-HURT-LINE for a free confidential case review. That's 888-HURT-LINE.
At Kroger, we know the minute a tomato is picked, the fresh time work starts. The sooner we get our produce to you, the better sure it is. That's why we've shortened the time from harvest to home. For our tasty tomatoes,